In this guide, I'm going to show you how you can fix a frozen Amazon Fire TV stick. Before we do get into this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel and lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it, and if at any point throughout this guide you did have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we could help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Now, if your Fire TV stick is frozen and not responding, the first thing that you're going to want to do is try using a quick restart. You could do this by using the remote. So grab your remote and press and hold down on the select button, which is that middle button in the middle of like the directional arrows. And then you can also go ahead and press down the play and pause button at the exact same time. So hold both of them down at the exact same time and keep holding them until your Fire TV stick powers off. It should automatically restart after a few seconds. And when it turns back on, check to see if your issue is fixed and if you're able to move around. If that didn't work, you're going to want to do a power cycle, also known as a full power reset. So go to the power cable connected to your Fire TV stick and unplug it from the wall or USB power source and wait about 10 to 15 seconds and then plug it back in. This is going to force a full reboot and can often fix freezing problems, but that is it. Your Fire TV stick should now be working again. If you did find this guide helpful, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel and lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it, and if at any point throughout this guide you did have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below, and we could help you out further. Have a great rest of your day, though. Peace.